Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple trick to exclude the code block in WordPress. This is perfect if you want to keep your editor clean and focus only on the blocks you actually use. By the end of this video, your WordPress editing interface will be clutter-free and easier to navigate. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head to the WordPress homepage. Click the login button in the top right corner. For a faster and more secure login, select Continue with Google. This lets you use your existing Google account without entering your credentials manually. Once logged in, look for the Quick Links section. Here, click on Edit Site. This will open the WordPress site editor where you manage all your pages and content. Next, focus on the top right corner of the editor. Click the three dots to open the menu, then select Preferences. This menu gives you control over how your editor looks and behaves. Inside Preferences, go to the Blocks section. Here, you'll see a list of all block types available in your editor, including paragraphs, images, and code blocks. This is where you decide which blocks you want visible. Finally, find the toggle for the code block and turn it off. And that's it. The code block is now removed from your editor, making your WordPress interface simpler and easier to use. No more clutter, just the blocks you need. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to exclude code blocks in WordPress. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tricks, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.